Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking a quick look here at Gala, seeing what's going on. Got a lot of requests for this one. Try to keep it on our radar here. We got some previous support and resistance levels we want to be mindful of. We are still holding above that 2.35 mark. I'm rounding up a little bit, but 2.35 is essentially that level. So stick around. Make sure you learn something here today, of course. If you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site link down below. We've got a trading academy, community, and signals group. Fantastic results with that too. We got a lot of graduates here recently doing very well in our community. And also, too, took some nice profits here from Solana, Chainlink. Same with my Premium Plus group here. What is it, Matic, and been a big ETH day for us here. Got a lot of profit targets for ETH. So again, that's my scalping bot. That's a day trading bot. Be sure to check that out if you're curious. Feel free to message me if you have any questions. So let's take a quick look at this here. Let's start with the backend data because we want to understand liquidation first and work our way down. So we got a lot liquidation here at about 2.48. So 2.48 is a heavy concentration liquidation, just kind of telling us that there's a good chance that the price action will keep pushing in that direction. Okay. Again, a lot of people are feeling confident with their shorts back here. Unfortunately, a lot of them are still feeling confident, even though the price action is really close to stop loss. I don't understand it, but generally speaking, that's kind of where we're at there. So again, the likelihood of the price breaking through that level, retesting its most recent high, is extremely high. There's no other way around it. Again, that's not the reason to take a trade, but generally speaking, we should see that level tested. It might even happen while we're recording this video. So take a look here, though, at the moving averages. The thing we want to recognize here with the SMAs is that we are below the 50 and the 100. Okay, so we're over the 20. That's a good starting point. That's a good trend setter, right? Because this trend will continue to work as our friend. But again, these will work our way down too, so we could very well see rejection, the price pull back up or down from there. It's kind of hard to say, it's all speculation, but generally speaking, those levels are considered to be resistances, and being above them right now is not a great sign. Take a look here at the daily. We are looking good here in all fronts, though. Stochastic's a bit on the overextended side, but we can see RSI and money flow index all looking good in that sweet spot. In other words, it could keep going further and it wouldn't be a problem, right? There's a lot more room for upwards momentum. We're at a 7 on TD sequential, basically telling us we've had 7 days of green. Technically, there was 2 doji candles in there, so that to me warrants a decent enough consolidation period. That's about 48 to 72 hours of consolidation. We're literally probably only at a 1 or a 2 right now. Okay, so we got days of continuation left. Honestly, this is not a massive pump, if you will. It's definitely something that could continue. Okay, so minus the moving averages, everything's looking pretty primed and ready to go. I love that we retested this most recent resistance as a support multiple times, and now that we're staying above it, the likelihood of the price going up is great. Okay. Again, it could just be to sweep that level of liquidity there that we're seeing that's almost already happened, but it could also be a few other things too. No matter how you look at it, the price is more likely to increase. We can see MACD is looking to converge here soon. We can see stochastic swinging upwards, money flow index coming up. It's still pretty low. Honestly, I want to see a higher MFI, but the RSI is still in that sweet spot there too. So we're not overextended. We're ascending positively with the 20-day SMA. There's a tremendous amount of reasons why this coin is looking pretty good right now. Okay. Again, I don't love the money flow index being as low as it is. It implies we don't have as much volume as we need to sustain this price point. So this could very well just be a liquidity sweep and the price might pull back. But we are ascending positively too. So even if the price does pull back and holds true here, we could very well see it continue upwards as we hit or retest that ascending trend. Okay, so some really cool stuff's going on here. Honestly, this is pretty solid little situation there. Let's see what the hourly tells us here. I'm willing to bet we just back up over the cloud, which we are. This is a good confirming factor here, kind of letting us know that we're on the right side of tracks. All green lights to leave a long position open. Now, I get the question too, should I open a long position now? Sure, you're going to have a lot more luck going up than down right now, but you also want to recognize that it's important to note you want to use low position size and low leverage. You don't want to just go hard as a mother. You don't want to go ham, right? In this situation because it's already overextended. Okay, it's not massively overextended. It could very well continue to run, but the truth is, we came up to an 8 here recently. We just got a little reset. There's that liquidity sweep starting right now. So yeah, truth is, if you want to watch it and continue to run with it, that's fine. Just make sure you keep a close eye on it. Okay. And or have a closer stop loss. But generally speaking, statistically speaking, you are more likely to go up than down with Gala at this point. It just seems like it's going to continue to run. Again, slow and steady wins the race, folks. We don't want it to run too hard, too fast. We want it to consolidate, which it has done so far. And if Bitcoin can maintain itself at 50K, which is pretty darn close, 49.9, we're in good shape here to see Gala have some pretty nice output. Okay, so again, that's what we're at there, folks. Hope you learned something here today. Another thing you want to learn too, of course, is using a good exchange. Link down below, folks, cryptocash.tech. You can use my partners page if you want, or just use the link down below for Bitunix. Awesome rewards. Use my link to register. No KYC or VPN. Most of my US and Canadian subscribers are utilizing them and finding great benefit. If you use my link, though, you'll have a private trading competition eligibility later this month when we have our new one, and we're going to have a 10K prize pool. And then ultimately as well, they're offering additional 200 trading pairs very soon. Okay, I think that's speculated for, I think, the 20th of this month and on. Okay, so awesome stuff. Be sure to check it out. Awesome, awesome stuff. Thank you again, Bitunix, and thank you as well for being an awesome part of my life. Hope you all have a great rest of the day. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Take care.